Assalamu alaikum students. Today's our topic is unit number 2, question number 5, part 2. Explain various ways through which security threats spread in computers. Its answer is on page number 27 to page number 29. Ways through which virus, worms and adwares spread. There are different ways through which computer security threats like virus, worms and adware spread from one computer to the other computer. A virus, worm, adware can spread through infected flash drives or disks, email attachments, surfing insecure websites, and installing pirated software. Infected flash drives or disks. Flash drives and disks are convenient, popular, and easy to use storage devices. Flash drives are USBs, are very convenient, popular, and easy to use storage devices in which we can store and transfer data between computers. Flash drives and disks are the main source of spreading viruses among computers, and these USBs are the main source of spreading virus from one computer to another. Once an infected flash drive or disk is connected to a healthy computer doesn't mean a fat computer, it means a computer which haven't any type of security threats like virus, worms, adware, etc. Once an infected flash drive means a drive which is infected through a virus, which contain viruses. When infected flash drives or disks are connected to a healthy computer, it becomes infected with viruses. That healthy computer become infected with viruses. In this way, computer virus spread from one computer to other computer. Next is email attachment. Email attachment is a file that can be sent with an email from one computer to the other. A file that is sent through an email from one computer to another computer is called email attachment. An email virus is a computer code sent as an email attachment, and email virus is a computer code that is sent through an email attachment. If activated, it may cause some harmful effects, and if this code is activated, it may cause harmful effects such as destroy certain files on the computer hard disk. It can destroy a computer hard disk's files and causing the attachment to be forwarded anywhere in the address book, and it can be sent automatically in the all content of your address book. Email viruses distribute themselves automatically by email, and these email viruses can be automatically sent by email. These viruses require the users on double clicking on the attachment containing viruses, and these viruses require double clicking. If you double click this code, then they activated, otherwise they cannot do anything. This causes the malicious code to mail itself to other people's from that computer, and when you double clicking that code, the virus automatically send to all over your address books, all addresses of your address book. The best defense against email virus is never opening an unknown email. The best defense against these emails are that to never opening an unknown emails. Next is surfing insecure websites. A website that is set up to spread a virus or for some other unethical purpose is an insecure website. The websites that is set up to spread viruses, जो बनाई ही viruses को spread करने के लिए जाती है या फिर some other unethical गैर अखलाकी मकासद के लिए बनाई जाती है, उसको हम लोग कहते हैं insecure websites. These websites engage in questionable or unethical practices and attempt to, and these are in questionable form, automatically assess the computer when users visit them. These websites can automatically assess your whole computers when you visit these websites. Install adware that may cause a flurry or pop-up to appear on the screen, and if you visit these type of websites, they install adware and small pop-up messages are appear on your computer screen. Next is installing pirated software. Software which has been duplicated and distributed without authorization is called pirated software. Software which has been duplicated means The software creates their copies by itself and distributed and spread without authorization. Without authorization means without the knowledge or permission of the user is called a pirated software. Pirated software may be faulty or loaded with malware and may contain viruses. And when you install the pirated software from the internet, they can be loaded with malware and it contain viruses. Pirated software can threaten the safety of the computer users. The pirated software, the software which contain viruses, can threaten the safety of the computer. These software products may be used to steal personal information. They can steal your personal information, load a computer with viruses, or they can load your computer with viruses, or engage in activities which can harm the computer, or engage in that type of activities that can harm your computer.